Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to sign into TikTok with CapCut. So guys, at first go to your CapCut. Now tap on me. Tap on sign in with TikTok. And guys, here are two options, phone and email. So you can log in to your TikTok with any way. So in this phone option, you have to enter here your TikTok mobile number that you used. And in the second option, email or username, you have to enter here your email address or TikTok username. And then you have to enter here your TikTok password. And after all this, just tap on login. And then you will logged in with your TikTok account. So guys, that's it. That's how you can do it. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.